Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the machine safe and accessible. Unplug the Keurig and empty the reservoir. You avoid short circuits and spills. Once done, remove the K-cup holder and drip tray so you can reach screws and clips. Make sure to keep screws in labeled containers so you know where each one returns. You'll use a Phillips and flat driver to access hidden fasteners and pliers to release stubborn clips. These early steps save time and prevent damage as you continue. Now you separate the shell to expose the internal components. Start removing visible screws, then gently pry apart the casing. There are plastic clips that can snap if forced, so work the seam incrementally. Once open, disconnect the water lines and note where each hose sits so you can reattach them correctly. You'll see the pump and heating block. Remove mounting screws and lift the pump assembly straight out to avoid kinking tubes. Make sure to photograph connector positions. These finish by servicing or replacing faulty parts, then reassemble in reverse order. You should reinstall the pump and heating block, reconnect hoses, and reseat electrical plugs. Make sure seals and gaskets are aligned to prevent leaks. Once the casing is closed and screws are snug, perform a short test with a cup and a half of water. This confirms flow and pressure without wasting water. If you encounter leaks or the unit won't power, stop. Recheck connector seating, hose clamps, and that screws aren't over-tightened, which can misalign parts and cause failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.